Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video I am going to explain how to write lesson plan for primary schools. As you know, your teaching practice is coming up soon, so it's very important to prepare your lesson plan, okay, before you start your teaching practice. So in this video I will clearly explain how to write a lesson plan for a primary school. In my previous video, I have explained how to write a lesson plan for preschool. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do watch it. I will add the link in the description box so you can watch it and get a clear idea. And also if you have any question related to that, okay, so please comment on that video as well. Now let's move on to today's topic. So when you are writing a lesson plan for primary school, okay, like one important thing you must consider is the teacher's guide. So we are doing this in English medium, so we don't have, okay, we don't have this one, the teacher's guide in English, so as you all know that. So however, if you are familiar with the Tamil language, so you can use Tamil medium's teacher's guide, or you can use if you are familiar with the Sinhala, you can use the Sinhala medium teacher's guide, okay. So reminding that one. And I just want to tell you, when you are writing your lesson plans, okay, now if you are selecting for example grade 2 means, so you can download the teacher's guide for that grade and for the relevant subject, so you can then refer to the teacher's guide and write your lesson plan accordingly. So here you should carefully consider how to write the competencies, learning outcome, those areas are there. So for that one you can get idea from the teacher's guide, okay. And in most of the schools, some schools especially they will use the same, okay, for the mathematics ERA, commonly they use the as per the government schools that syllabus, and some school they may use different textbooks, but the ideas topic of the for a particular grade they will use the same thing. So you can connect your lesson to the theme in the teacher's guide to get a clear idea. So from there you can also select suitable activities for your lessons as well, okay. See, with all these things in mind, if you are already a teacher in that school, okay, if you are a class teacher in that school, if you are going to do a teaching practice, okay, so it won't be difficult for you, because you can select the lesson, do the work, and you will have more freedom to do that one. But however, if you are going to another school for your teaching practice, if you are new for the to another school, okay, so you don't need to coordinate with the class teacher. You should get a clear idea from her about the lessons they are planning to teach. So only after that only you can write your lesson plans properly, okay. So be friendly and comfortable with the class teacher, try to get ideas and guidance from them also, because they have experience and practical knowledge. So this will really help you while preparing your lesson plan. I hope uh, I can explain you and you can get a clear idea about it on this one, okay. So let's move on to the main thing. So here I have already mentioned that also, how you can prepare the lesson plan books, okay. So these details I have already told you, you want to attach these details in your lesson plan books, okay. So timetable and the scheme you want to get from your school. And then the thing is, okay, now writing the lesson plan, that is the thing we want to consider. So from the university, they have given kind of this structure, okay, to follow while you are writing lesson plans. So they have given kind of this structure. So how we can make this? Now here they have given, so some topics are there here, 1 2 they have mentioned up to 10, okay. So here I have included that one. So you can mention for each your lesson plan like this. So lesson plan 1 2 like that, you can order number it, okay. Then you have to mention the date, so 1 to 10 is there. Then grade and class, the subject, time period, theme or unit, competency, then lesson, then learning outcomes. So here they have mentioned that date, here the grade and the class, here the subject, here the time period, okay, and here's the theme on this one. This is the competency, and this is the what is the unit, the thing, this is the learning outcomes. And uh, then the lesson approach is here at ninth one, and the lesson development they have given that one along with here the 10th one, that is the thing, padama sanvadanaya, here they have mentioned. So this one they have given a table here, so you want to prepare kind of this lesson plan. So here these are the topics, so consider. Here I have mentioned this one, transaction using coin, this is the theme for the unit 21, so for the maths for grade 2. So time period 40 minutes, and also you can mention from what time it starts, like 9 from 9 to 9 a.m. to, okay, from 9 a.m. to, you can mention that 9:40 a.m. that one also you can mention. And also the other things, so competency, so you can get this one, the competency, uh, and then the lesson, what is the lesson, and the learning outcomes. So learning outcomes will comes under like this. So if some lessons it will have like two or more than one, or some learning outcomes will only will be one learning outcomes as well. So lesson approach is how you are going to begin the lesson, okay, you have to allocate the time for that one also. And then the lesson development, so here are the topics for the lesson development. So you want to mention the steps, learning outcomes, summary of the lesson, teaching methods, teaching aids, what are the teaching aids that you are going to do, then teachers activity, student activity, assessment and evaluation, and the time, okay. So from the master teacher side, they are expecting at least to include more than 3 steps while you are doing a lesson. They said some teachers, students, they will use, like they will prepare the lesson plan, and they will finish it off the all the things in, like in within the 10 minutes kind of time. So they are expecting not that one, okay, so they are expecting us like 40 minutes mean we have to cover everything that time 40 minutes, and we want to do our lesson as a whole thing, and we have to complete. So think about that, okay. And also the teaching aids I have mentioned in this one also, you have to consider while you are preparing the teaching aids, it should be like not harmful for the students, and also it should be related to their age, and uh, and the size of the classroom also you have to consider. If it is more number of students, you have to use the teaching aids to cover everyone, okay. So many matters are there, so under the teaching aids also. And here like under each steps, okay, what are the learning outcomes that that is expected to get, and also you want to mention what are the teaching methods that you are going to do here. Like for the first thing, okay, here I have mentioned identifying the coins and be able to tell like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 and 10 is there for grade 2. So for that one, like picture of coins, the teacher will going to show the picture of coins for the students, and she will ask what is this coin, and like that. So it will be kind of a discussion. So students will like they will watch and they will tell the what are the coins, and then the teacher can assess like how they are answering, okay. And then like that only this lesson will be going, okay. So here like a role play means like teacher will use some real objects, and she will tell like she will show a pencil and she will say like this pencil is 5 rupees, so how, what is the coin we want to give, and the student should pick the coin, that 5 rupee coin, and they want to show. Like that this activity, these steps will be happen. Okay, so picking up from the students, and teacher will do this kind of role play. And then the like an individual activity. Okay, so students will get the coins, okay, the real coins, so they want to see whether, here the teacher will use the picture of coins here, so she will show like 1 to 5 10 rupee coins here, but here the real coins. Okay, so they will like touch and feel, and there are like many sizes of the coins as well, so they want to see what is the, how it, the real coins will look like. So it like kind of the steps will be here. And then group activity. So group activity like the worksheets, coin cutouts, glue, then a chart with price and items. So like there will be a worksheet, the teacher will provide a worksheet, she will divide for the, as a teacher activity we want to mention that teacher will divide the students into the groups, and they will be given the worksheets. Okay, in the worksheets they will show, the teacher will be mention some pictures along with the its price. So they want to the teacher also will provide coin cutouts as well, so they want to like a paste the correct coin near the, near that picture. So that is the group activity. So these are the I have mentioned one of the activity here. So the thing is, okay, unless for the this one for the preschool, like we want to mention after the lesson we want to mention only the reflection, but here we want to mention the summary of the lesson. Here you can see this is the criteria that from the university they have given to follow while we are writing the lesson plans. So here they have mentioned here padame saranshya, so summary of the lesson. Here they have mentioned like what is the this one padame again saha, this one is there no, so that is evaluation and feedback. And then the another point is direction for self learning and post activities. It can be maybe the like to give a work from a book, or you can ask them to just check with that check some coins and come, or you can ask them to trace the coins and come, those kind of activities. Like what are the homeworks, like kind of these activities. Okay, after the lesson you are going to give that one, you have to mention, and then as a part of a reflection you want to write. Here they have mentioned, so here they have mentioned here, and the reflection, so here they have mentioned this thing. See, they have done this one, they are teaching practice stage 1, and they mention the kind of the thing. So like that you want to write a small reflection, and then after that you want to attach some attach the attachments. Okay, you have to attachment, you have to attach the some this one that what are the things that you have used while you're doing the this one the lesson. So teacher here they have I have mentioned here the teacher used some pictures of the coins, so these are the pictures. Okay, pictures of the coins, so it should be like a big one while you are getting those as a teaching aids. So in the book you can mention kind of these pictures, and then the real pictures photo also you can attach. And how the group activity, so here is the group activity. Okay, kind of this worksheet teacher gave, so like this. Okay, so teacher mentioned like this envelope is 1 rupee, mean students should paste 1 rupee coin over here, like that. So simply you can ask them. And then another thing is, you want to mention the student teacher's signature, master teacher's remarks, and master teacher's signature will come here. Okay, then next one is principal's or sectional head signature. You want to get the, in some school there will be like a, according to the size of the school, according to the this one, the level in this school, you can get the signature. So if it is like a sectional head or some other of hierarchy official, you can get the signature and keep. Okay, so while ending each of the lesson, you want to get this thing and keep. So before you are doing the lesson, okay, so you can prepare kind of this lesson plan. So while if, and I think like you can cover up all the things, okay, but this one, the reflection part, you want to write after the lesson only. So consider about that one also. And also, like while you are doing the lesson, okay, so each day you want to do like 2 lessons. So this is only one I have mentioned here, max, and the other lesson you want to do. So for the both of the lesson you want to write kind of this lesson plan and you want to maintain. So from the university I have mentioned that, from if you meet with your master teacher, they will give you some documents. So in that documents also you want to mention what are the lesson you have covered on the day, what are the lessons, and you want to get signature from your school, like sectional head or some kind of person. You want to get the signature and keep. Okay, so here in this one, okay, this is I have, I'm showing you this one. It's a Tamil medium teachers guide. Okay, so here they have given like this is the thing. Okay, in Sinhala also Nipunata will come, I think. For that one is the competency. So here in this competency, okay, this is patterns. Okay, so picture patterns or number patterns they will like create, the students will create. So that is the competency. So competency you want to get from here the idea. So it will comes like create patterns using pictures or numbers. So base for the primarily they will make some picture patterns only. So for only one competency you want to mention, so they will create patterns using pictures. That is the competency. And here they have mentioned this one, Kattad Perugal in Tamil said. For that one is the thing you want to write with the learning outcomes. So the learning outcomes will be for this one. Students will be able to like identify the picture patterns and they will complete that one. Okay, so these are the things they have mentioned for learning aids, and also there are some steps also there. So this is they are you going to use how they are going to do the activity. So you can get all the ideas. So if in your school, which whether you are selecting a school, and if they are in their book, if they have the lesson on this topic, so just refer to the teacher's guide and you can get ideas. Okay, and you can, if you are not teacher in that school, like if you are going as a new, you can discuss with the class teacher and you can tell like we have to do kind of this activity, and you can use along with the teacher's guide, you can write your lesson plan as well. Okay, so I think I have covered the things, everything, like it's only one lesson plan I have been explaining here. Like that only ERA also you want to do, that these are the headings and this it should be like this. So this is for only one, this one only one lesson plan I have mentioned here. So along with the teacher's guide you can do. And yeah, that's all like I want to mention here. So these are the things you have to consider. Okay, so that's all for today's video. like I think if you found this video helpful, okay, please like and share. And also if you have any questions and if you need any help, please comment and ask me. I'll be help you. So thank you for watching.